Hello everyone, best greeting. So this lecture I need to show you how we can export our research article from the Scopus. While we make a search inside the Scopus, depending on our keyword that appear from here, they have a keyword. I use it land use and spatial data, and there is a final from the year to year. We explained it before. You can go back to the first lecture, but this lecture we need to export this article. We have 1 to 1, that means 121 document. We select all, then we go to CSV export. In the CSV export we can select it, what information do you want to export, because it's very important to know what information we need to export. We have citation information, we have a bibliographic information, an abstract, funding detail, other information. We select what we need. Like if you need funding detail, you can select it. If no need, you can deselect. From the other information, I select conference information, include information. Abstract keyword, I need to abstract, author keyword, index keyword. For bibliographical information, I need all, and for citation information, I need all to export. After selecting all, we click on what? We click on export. Okay, so export. So by this way, all article, after we make it a search inside the Scopus, this information as explained here, all of them become what? Become export, and will be saved as CSV file inside the Microsoft Excel. So okay, so by this way we export it, and we come back to the Microsoft Excel, we clean it on it, we see there is a data inside the Microsoft Excel. This is a export from Scopus to Microsoft.